Transform your space with Post-it DryErase surface. The clean, sophisticated design is easy to install and stain-proof, giving you the freedom to have whiteboards in more places. Get started by cleaning and drying the area, removing any residue. Then, unroll the Post-it DryErase surface on a flat, clean area and peel back 12 inches of the black liner from the top edge. Apply the Post-it DryErase surface to your wall, starting on the top edge middle portion, working towards the edge corners. Recheck your alignment and adjust if necessary. Using the included cloth, push firmly against the surface, moving any air bubbles to the edge. Continue by peeling back 12 inches from the liner at a time, smoothing to remove additional air bubbles along the way. Once you're done, recycle the liner and box and start collaborating. Post-it DryErase surface, the instant, flexible whiteboard solution.